In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Google Photos app in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, you will be able to see a best match here under this window. All you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. And in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything would be showing up or everything would be ready for you before you proceed to the steps. Okay, so once ready, please navigate here at the upper right side of the screen. You can see an icon like this. Click on it to show the Google Apps. And eventually you would be able to open up a small window where you get to see all of the Google Apps. Okay, so please wait until this would be ready for you. Okay. And from here, you just have to scroll down on the list and navigate on the locating for the photos or the Google Photos. So I can see it here beside Translate. Please click on it and wait until you would be redirected to the Google Photos website or page itself. Okay, so here at the Google Photos, you get to see the photos that you have, the albums that you have created, the documents that you have saved, the screenshots and recordings that you have taken, the favorites that you have saved as favorites with the people that you have connected with. I mean, yes, the people that you have connected with in the photos, as well as more, okay? And since the goal or the target of this video is to install this an app, okay? So just have to navigate here at the three dots, click on it, and locate webcast, save and share. And here you will be able to open up this window with all page as app, and you will be able to get this small window. Click on install. The moment you've clicked on it, in a while you would be able to open up the small window. Just minimize or close it and as well as the browser. And here you would be able to see at the desktop that a Google Photos shortcut has been automatically created. Okay, as you can see, it has been placed here. Okay, and your machine would ask you if you would like to pin Google Photos to your taskbar. Click on yes if you would like to, or you can simply click on no thanks to decline the offer. So this is good, especially if you would like to navigate here at the button search bar and if you would like to try to search for photos or Google Photos, you will be able to get this here in this window either under the best matched or under on the apps. Okay, so by here under the under the search bar, you will be able to navigate to the Google Photos here apps. Okay, click on this forward arrow, and from here it will show you an option where you can click on open, and that way you will be able to bring up the Google Photos window. Okay, so if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.